In this video, we are going to discuss about working with iOS files and iOS file system. So remember first that iOS file is saved in the flash memory. So to copy the file from the flash memory to the TFTP server, use the copy command, which is copy flash : TFTP command. So you see here, for my router, you entered the command copy flash : TFTP . So the source file name is displayed here, and address of the name of the remote host is mentioned here, and the number of bytes copied to the TFTP server also is mentioned here. So here, to copy image from the TFTP server to the flash memory, the reverse of this command is used. See the syntax here. So my router copy TFTP : flash : so the image will be copied from the TFTP server to the file memory or flash memory here. So you see address of the remote host from where the image is copied, and also destination file name, source file name, and also you get the enough of the space which is copied from TFTP server to the flash memory. So after this one, you can see that the file was not copied because there is no space here. So whenever you have an error message stating there is no space, that means the file is not copied. So what you have to do? You have to see that the directory of the flash, the memory information of the flash memory. So what is the syntax of the command used here? You see my router dir, which is directory of flash. You get the space and read write access and also the file name here. So to free up some space, you need to delete some existing files and free up some space for the other file from TFTP server to copy into the flash memory. So you see, you use the command called delete flash so and so file name, and it clearly gives that deleting the file name is successful. By this way, we can delete the files in the flash memory and we can import or copy from TFTP server here. So coming to the second scenario here, that you can free up more space by using the copy command again here, that is my router copy TFTP flash, then the address name of the remote host is given, so that this will free some space and you can copy the the image file of the source file to the destination file easily. So also you can see how many bytes is copied, so that you can have the space information also available here. And also even copy a similar command to manage the iOS file system here. And show file, this command will give you the information of the files available here. And also an example shown below, you can see here show file information flash, the flash file name here. So it will show the flash file details and also the file size in bytes and also the running size in bytes as well. So coming to other commands used in the iOS file system are erase. This command you already know that it will erase some details of the file from the NVRAM and also the contents of the NVRAM. Format, this command is used to erase all the contents from the flash, and also mkdir, that means make directory, that means creating a directory here. So you see mkdir test, so create directory file name, so you give the file name as test, and so created the directory flash as test. So you created a directory by the name test, so you use this command mkdir. So coming to other two commands are cd, which is called current directory, so which directory you are presently exist. And what about pwd, present working directory. So what is the present working directory we are working? We use this command to know in the which directory, the present working directory you are located. And you can see pwd, it will show flash as test. So what is test? So present working directory is flash : /test/. So this is the present working directory. So you have to change the directory from the present working directory. You use the command cd, which is called change directory. So it will change the directory to only flash. So you have moved from test folder to flash folder here. So this is about the iOS file system and working with the iOS, so that you use these commands to delete, erase, to know the present working directory, and also to know the change directory as well here clearly, so that you can change the directory whenever you want by using two commands, which is present working directory and change directory here.